Hi guys, and welcome back to OneLife Rally TV. We are here today in Brunnen, Switzerland, having a look at the beautiful Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Have a look, guys. This is the LP 700 through for Lamborghini Roadster. It is extremely rare. Let's just start off at the front and work our way back so I can show you guys a few cool details. So this car is a tri-color car, so I'll show you guys now. So as you can see, we have the matte black paint job. We have the carbon fiber black on the spoilers and the side skirts. I'll show you guys in more detail. And we also have the glossy black as well. So let's swing around to the car and have a look at a few more features. We have the ceramic disc brakes here. Look at that beautiful yellow color there, is absolutely stunning. Lamborghini wheels, guys, they're 20, I'm pretty sure they're 20-inch wheels, correct me if I'm wrong. Gloss black through the wheels again. 5 spokes on the wheels. Well, I love this car so much, guys, it's stunning. Look at this exhaust pipe. This is just something I have to show you. So it looks like it's one large exhaust pipe, guys, but if you can have a little sneak below, there's actually 4 inside of that one. It is absolutely nuts. I can't wait to turn this on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Like I said, guys, carbon all the way through, carbon detailing. Have a look at this here. This is my absolute favorite. I can't wait to pop this engine open so we can see what it looks like. But look, this is literally a piece of art. You have the glass panes, but if you guys can see, they're split into 2, and then they're split again into 2, so you can fit your hand underneath there and touch the engine if you wanted to. I wouldn't recommend that because it can be very, very hot. Like I said, it is convertible. It's not an automatic convertible, so you do need to pop the top of your roof off and pop it into the boot. Let's unlock this baby and hop inside and see what she looks like, what the interior looks like, and then we can maybe turn this on and see what she sounds like. Have a look at this beautiful seating here. So we have the race car seats, full Alcantara interior, guys, as you can see on the dash everywhere. So it's a combination of leather and Alcantara. The cool thing about Lamborghinis, when you actually go to purchase your Lambo, you actually have a selection process. So you can pick the color of the disc brakes, you can pick the color of the stitching that's going to be on your seats. You guys know I'm a sucker for stitching. I say this every single video, but the yellow just complements the black, because it would be, just imagine, guys, if you had black stitching on this, how muted it would be. The whole car would just be black, black, black everywhere, and then it just needs that little tiny bit of detail to just make it look absolutely stunning. Guys, I have an actually very funny story to tell you. So the owner of this car was telling me when he went to go actually purchase this car, he had an option for a travel pack, and he was like, okay, travel pack, I'm assuming I'm gonna get like a duffel bag or something like that. The car arrives for him, and I'm gonna show you guys now what he received in his travel pack. A cup holder, which, guys, we don't know how much the travel pack costs, nor did we ask, but I'm assuming this is a good little investment to have in your Lambo, because can you imagine driving this going 200 kilometers per hour or however fast or slow you are driving, and you have your beverage and it would just be flying all over the place like this. So this is the perfect thing that you definitely need in your Lambo. So if you're planning on buying a Lamborghini for OneLife Rally, don't forget the travel pack. Fun fact, the actual owner of Lamborghini used to drive a Ferrari, believe it or not. And what drove him and inspired him to make Lamborghinis, to stop making tractors and to start making supercars, was the constant nagging of the clutch in the Ferrari. That's a little fun fact for you that I had no idea before. I never would have thought that the owner of Lamborghini drove a Ferrari. That's crazy, guys. Write in the comments below if you know any more cool fun facts about Lambo. Now, let's get back into the car. As you guys can see, carbon through the center console. You have, I think it may be a touch display, correct me if I'm wrong, but we will check that out. You have your sport driving modes here, guys. So you have Strada, Sport, and Corsa. Corsa being the strongest mode. You have split climate control for you and for your passenger, as well as heated seating. As you can see on these switches, guys, pretty standard. So you have your hydraulics for your car. So So if the car is a little bit low and you need to go over a speed hump or something like that, you can just raise the car. Your ESC, windows, hazard light, and etc, standard stuff that you have in a vehicle. Here we have carbon going all the way through here, Alcantara and leather combined steering wheel. You also have ports in here, guys, for your USB and aux cables as well. Here to your left hand side near the driver, guys, as well, you have a CD player and you have a memory card slot, so you can pop in memory cards if you have your favorite tracks that you want to listen to in your Lambo. Let's go have a look at the boot, see what the boot looks like. We do have the roof in the boot at the moment, so we won't be able to do can Laura fit in the boot, but I just want to show you guys so you can see how large it is approximately. Then we're going to check the engine out. Can't wait to see the engine, it looks so amazing. And your favorite bit, we already know when we start up the car and hear how loud the rev will be. This is the boot here. Like I said, it is a little bit smaller. You can easily fit, I would say, about 2 larger duffel bags in here, but because we have the roof here at the moment, as you can see, we can't fit much in there, but that is where you can store your roof if you do decide to drive a convertible. Look at this beautiful engine. This is V12 6.4 liter 700 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. That is ridiculously fast. Now for the best moment of the video, the moment that you guys like the most, let's hop inside and give this baby a rev and see what she sounds like. Rev it too much because we're in the center of Ronen, but you guys can hear how crazy that sounds. Let's just do one more quick rev. Why do I kill that? Absolutely craziness. I love this Lambo so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the Aventador as much as I did, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, sub, and share this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Bye.